Welcome to Daily Tutorials. This video is gonna be all about the paragraph element. So let's get started. First, let's put P, and we have our P tag here, and inside we're gonna use a built-in extension called Lorem to generate random text. So first, we're gonna write LOREM, and then we're gonna add how many words do we need. Let's say 45, and just hit tab or enter. Let's check the browser. Here we have our paragraph. Now let's say we want to break it into different lines. Now let's try it through the IDE. So let's break it here, here, now let's check it in the browser. And as we can see here, nothing happened. So the only way to break a paragraph into different lines in HTML is through the BR or the break tag. So BR. Let's do another one here. Let's do another one here. Now let's check it in the browser. And here we can see that we broke our paragraph into lines. Next, we're going to talk about three different elements that can be included in the paragraph tag, which are the emphasize tag, the bold tag, and the strong tag. Now, these three elements' function is to provide information to the search engine. For example, now let's just say that we want this word here to be bold. Just need to add this word inside this P tag. Now let's check it in the browser. Here we can see that Epson here is bold, and it just serves to tell the search engine that this word is important. Now let's put this word into the emphasis tag. So EM, let's take this word and put it inside. And this tells the search engine that this word is the most important. So let's check it in the browser. You see here it's in italic. And last we have the strong element. Let's try it on this word. So now let's check it in the browser. Here we have it's also bold here. Now all these elements should not be used in styling your paragraphs. It's just to provide information to the search engines. Only CSS should be used in styling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.